Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you my top 5 tools that I use every day as an 18-year-old aspiring entrepreneur. Each one of these tools is extremely useful for me, and they have helped me make more than $10,000 so far in my journey. So it's for this reason that in this video I'm gonna share with you how I use them, why I use them, and why they're so amazing. So for the first tool, which is Opal, I've already made a separate video. Opal is an app that helps you maximize your productivity and your concentration by blocking your most distracting apps. So I use it every day to block Instagram and YouTube, which are the two apps that most often distract me and make me fall into the spiral of procrastination. So if you're interested in learning more about Opal, I've already made a dedicated video where I talk about how I use it, why I use it, and all the functionalities that the app has. So let's now get to the second most useful tool that I use every day. And by the way, this is not in order of importance or usefulness. So the second tool is Canva. So you might already know about Canva. So it's a bit like Photoshop, but it's free, user-friendly, and it has a lot of resources and templates that you can use. And I use it for many things actually. So first I use it for the thumbnails of my YouTube videos, then I use it whenever I need to create a logo for a project or a design for a project, then I use it when I need to create an Instagram post. So for my math website Instagram page, that has been very useful. I use it to create math graphs to put in my math lessons on my website, and I also use it for school whenever I need a PowerPoint presentation or a design of any sort. It's free, it's easy to use, it lets you export your design in any definition you want, in any format you want, PDF, PNG, SVG, everything, and that's why I use it every day and I love it. So the third tool is a very popular fintech startup named Stripe. So Stripe is incredibly easy to use and it allows you to receive payments online with just a link, and it's fully customizable. You can also set up subscriptions, and that's the way I handle my subscriptions for my math website. So you can very easily set up recurring payments from customers, and it's just fantastic. It accepts basically any payment methods that I know about, like PayPal, Link, credit card, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, wire transfer. It's amazing, it's fully automated, and it's also very easy to integrate with your code. So they have an easy to use API, which I don't know if you know what an API is, but basically lets your website know when a customer has an active subscription to then show them the premium content. So I think Stripe has really revolutionized the way people do online business. It's so convenient, it's very cheap. It takes, I think, a 1.5% share of your revenue, and I don't see any downsides at all in using it. So let's now get to the fourth tool. The first most useful tool that I use every day as an 18-year-old aspiring entrepreneur is obviously ChatGPT. I'm sure you know about ChatGPT. There's not much to add, I think. I think you all know how amazing it is, and you can imagine all the ways a business owner can take advantage of that. So I use ChatGPT so much that I've actually activated the Pro plan, which is $20 a month, and I use it for a very wide set of things. First, coding. Each time I get an error in my code, I send it to ChatGPT and it solves it instantly. I also use ChatGPT for brainstorming, getting video ideas, learning a new skill, getting advice about my gym routine, and I also use it as a mentor, basically asking him to validate my ideas and to help me design my path toward my goals. So that was all I had to say for ChatGPT. I'm sure you guys already use it very often, and I hope I gave you some new ideas for uses that you didn't think of. Now let's get to the fifth tool. So the fifth and last tool that I'm gonna share with you is Instagram. Instagram is both one of the most useful tools that I've found and one of the worst distracting app on the App Store. So how do I use Instagram to grow my business? So Instagram is obviously a great way to grow your business, reach new people, and get free exposure to the public. So the way I use Instagram is basically growing pages for my projects and then using those pages to attract new customers and reach out to new people. Instagram, like other social media apps, is really game changing because it lets you advertise for no cost to potentially reach the whole market. So the way I use Instagram to grow my business is posting consistently about my products, but also it's very important to give value to your subscribers. So you have to find the perfect balance between giving free value and free content to attract people to your page and talking about your product and converting these people into actual customers. So Instagram is also obviously a double-edged sword because it's very easy to fall into procrastination and doom scrolling when you're on the platform ready to make content and you find yourself scrolling through shitty content and just procrastinating for hours, calling it brainstorming because you think you're looking for new video ideas. That were the 5 most useful tools that I use every day to grow my business and make money. So I hope you found this video useful. If you want to follow along my journey to $1 million, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment if you have a tool to share that you want me to try in a new video. So that was it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.